In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel an order on Wolt. Whether you've changed your mind or encountered an issue, knowing how to cancel your order efficiently can save you time and hassle. Now, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Wolt app on your device. Once you've done that, log into your account to access all the features available to you. If you haven't logged in for a while, make sure your credentials are handy to avoid any delays. After logging in, navigate to the orders section of the app. This is where you'll find a list of all your current and past orders. Make sure you're looking at the right section so you can proceed smoothly to the next step. Now, select the active order that you wish to cancel. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the correct order, especially if you have multiple orders in progress. Once you've identified the right one, click on it to view more details. Here's where it gets important. If your order is still in the preparation phase and cancellation is permitted, you will see an option to cancel the order. This is usually a straightforward button or link. Tap on it to initiate the cancellation process. Once you've tapped the cancel option, the app will usually prompt you to confirm your decision. Make sure to confirm your cancellation to finalize the process. This step ensures that no mistakes are made and that your order is correctly canceled. However, there are instances where the order might have progressed further and you may find that it's already being prepared or even picked up. In such cases, the option to cancel may not be directly available. This is when you might need to take an extra step for assistance. If you find yourself in this situation, the next best course of action is to contact Wolt support through the app. They are generally very responsive and can guide you on what to do next, or even assist in canceling the order if it's still possible. And that's it. That's how to cancel an order on Wolt. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you can now manage your orders with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.